I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using a proper data-capable USB cable and powering the Gemstone head unit. Once done, make sure Android Auto support is enabled on your phone in Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Android Auto. Grant location, mic, and phone permissions. You do this because the head unit and phone need permission exchange to mount and display. Plugging in with the correct cable prevents intermittent disconnects and forces the system into wired Android Auto mode, which is you now connect the cable to the Gemstone USB port marked for phone or data. When the phone prompts you to allow Android Auto access, tap Allow and check Always if offered, so future connections are automatic. On the Gemstone screen, select the Android Auto source. The unit will negotiate the session and load the car-friendly interface. Be patient during the first authorization. Drivers and apps exchange certificates and profiles, so the initial setup can take several seconds to complete. You finish by testing audio routing and voice commands. Open Maps and play a brief audio clip to confirm everything routes through Gemstone. If Android Auto doesn't appear, switch to a known good data cable and try another USB port on the unit, because many issues are bad cables or ports. Make sure phone USB mode is set to File Transfer or Android Auto if prompted. If problems persist, reboot both devices and reauthorize permissions. That clears handshake errors and usually completes the only reliable connection method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.